The purpose of this video demonstration is to show users how to import information from the catalog into the curriculum proposal in Curriculog. Import should take place if there's a revision or deletion being made. If it's a new addition, then you can't import from the catalog as it's new information. So the first step is to click New Proposal. Choose the proposal that best fits the curriculum change that you're wanting to do. So for this video, we're going to do a revised course. Hover over the form and click Start Proposal. As always, the first step is to turn on the help text. Scroll down to the first section. You're going to choose the proposal, the modification that you're wanting to make. This one's going to be the course title. The next step is to import the curriculum data from the catalog by clicking this icon on the top left corner. To search for courses, select the prefix filter. To search for programs, select the name filter. So scroll back to the top, choose this function. You're going to select the catalog and you're going to filter by field. For courses, always choose prefix. Type the prefix here. If you've already made an edit to a course in the past, you want to make sure you uncheck this button here that says Exclude Previously Imported Items. Then next click Search Available Curriculum. You're going to choose the course in which you want to import. So select the course. All of the fields have already been selected, so scroll down and click Import this course item. You will now see that all the fields that are directly in the catalog have now been imported from the catalog to Curriculog. Next, you're going to revise. If you're revising one of the following items, the course title, credit hours, or catalog description, please make the edits in the section where you imported. These are smart fields that feed directly to the catalog, so when you make the changes, they push back to the catalog rather than us requesting these changes through email or through Word documents. As a reminder, any program revision, program deletion, course revision, or course deletion all require you to import. If you are creating a new course or a new program, you will not use this function.